This program here, if it wasn't for that, because it helps the vets. It gives them a chance to, to come in and learn to work with their hands, and because it helps them to relax and get away from the stress of things of everyday life. I'm working on a football. And that's, to me, something that's going to challenge me.
I'm a concert pianist, so it's very natural to work with my hands, my fingers. It's very therapeutic, it's relaxing, and it keeps your mind strictly on this.
My name is Kimberly Denuzzo, and I was in the Navy. Doing the kits just takes me to another world.
Some memories that somebody else has, you maybe necessarily didn't share it with them, but it brings back memories of you sharing it with other people while you were in the service. These are memories, not just little art projects.